So if you've never been to Charlotte, North Carolina, here is a nice place most people like to visit in University area in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Boardwalk. Here at the Boardwalk, they do have like a man-made like lake area surrounded by a very, very nice hotel, the Hilton. It's very nice hotel with restaurants all around them, and they just started building apartment complexes. So if you're looking for a place to live close to a little bit of everything, close to Highway 85, then check out the University area. This area where I'm at right now is called the Boardwalk. So they may call it a different name. I've been here in Charlotte for like over 20 years. So the old timers, I consider myself like an old timer. Although I'm not originally from Charlotte, North Carolina, I've been here for a while. I'm originally from a little town right next to Concord, North Carolina. It's Kannapolis, but I consider myself, this is my home. I've been here over 20 some years. So this is a nice area to go, walk around, sightseeing, like I say, eat restaurants a day. Me and one of my notary buddies, I consider my friend, went to Boardwalk Billy's and had lunch. I ordered a Caesar salad. I didn't take a picture of it, but that's what I had, and she had a salmon, for which she really loves salmon. So if they got a thumbs up from her, then I know the salmon was hitting, y'all. It was really busting. So I just want to show you all this area right here. Like I said, we're just walking. As you see, it wasn't that crowded when the time of day that we decided to visit this place. Like I said, they have a lot of different restaurants. They have a bakery here. If you love your seafood, they have a seafood place here. And they have like little thrift store shops. I think it's upstate cheap steaks or something like that, little thrift store.